All right, this is gonna require a sharp knife. Make sure you sharpen your knife really good when you're cutting these tomatoes. And just take one tomato. This is a beefsteak tomato. Dice it down however you like. Cut it down to whatever size dices that you like. And just rough chop it. Rough chop it up. Throw it in a bowl. There is no right or wrong way to do it. Take your onion next, chop it up. And actually, for this one, I'm only going to use half an onion. The other half I'm not even going to use. So I'm just going to dice it up and dice it up as small as you want to. Like I say, there's no right or wrong way, but just dice it as small as you can. And once you finish dicing it up, we just going to add it to the bowl. And after we finish doing that, we're going to chop it up real fine, just as fine as you can get it. And just take it and let's drop it in the bowl and move on to step number 3. All right, mix it up real good. Add your garlic. I'm gonna say about a tablespoon of garlic will work best with this. As much as you like though, whatever you like, add it. Next, red wine vinegar. Probably about 3 or 4 dashes. And mix it up. This is gonna help break it down. And some olive oil. And just about 4 or 5 squirts. I don't know how many tablespoons. Just probably about 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons will work best. This is really gonna help incorporate the flavors. And then I use my Eric's Gourmet Grilling Dust. It has parsley, cilantro, oregano, garlic, and a few other things in it that really work good with this tomato relish. And just mix it up. And it's probably about 2 tablespoons, maybe 2.5 tablespoons. And just mix it up. And it looks good. It's gonna start smelling good already. The longer it sits, the better it gets. And now, this is the star of the show. Bacon fat. Render down some bacon fat, add about 1 to 2 tablespoons. I actually added 2 tablespoons. And mix it up, let it set. This right here is a piece of roasted chicken from yesterday's dinner. Spoon you a little bit on top. Work around the plate with some of these juices. And you have some delicious, delicious roasted chicken. Use it on beef, pork, chicken, anything. This right here is going to add amazing flavor. Enjoy.